What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I got so much for so little at Dollar General, and I am about to show y'all how. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, the first transaction I did was right here. I got all of this, y'all, for a low price, I think. We're going to start off with the sodas. They are Dr. Pepper brand. They didn't have no Dr. Peppers left in store, so I just got what I got. But they were 3 for $14. We don't have no coupons on those. Sorry. Then the Lay's chips, I got 4 bags of those. They are 2 for $6, but when you buy 4, they are $2.25 each. So that is $9 for 4 bags of chips, which isn't bad at all, due to the fact that chips now are almost $6 a bag. Then the Dasani waters was 5.75. We have a $2 coming off, making them 3.75. And then I threw the dips in there at the last minute. You can leave these off, and especially if you are doing a 5 off 25, your total will be even cheaper. But the dips, I had to have them with the Lays, if you know what I mean. If you know, you know. But the dips, they were buy one get one 50% off. So one was $4.95, the other one was $2.47, totaling $7.42. And that's not a bad price, because you getting the other one for 50% off. Now if you wasn't, it would be kind of high, and due to the fact that we don't have no coupons on these as well. So all of this cost me $29.17, and that was after my 5 off 25 came off, making each item $2.91 each, y'all. Not bad at all. And like I said, if you want to be even cheaper, leave the dips off. So that is my first transaction. Now we are going to get into the second transaction. And I had the save $10 P&G coupon on my account. So instead of getting the 5 off 25, I got the $10 off P&G items. So let's get into that transaction. Okay, y'all, here are the other items I had got. And when you have those $10 P&G coupons, you have to get P&G items in order for that $10 coupon to work. Because I didn't know. And actually, I tried to get $10 off of that soda transaction. But the 5 off of 25 just came off. The 10 didn't. So you have to get P&G products. Some of y'all probably already knew that, but I didn't. So this is the one that I saved $10 on. The Downy April Fresh Dry Sheets are $5.50. We have $1 off, making them $4.50. The small spaces and the Febreze spray are both $3.50, totaling $7. We have a $3.50 coming off, making them just $3.50. So basically, it's like buy one get one free. Then on the Downy Intense, it was $3.95. We don't have no coupon that attaches to that. Then on the Gain Flings, they were $4.50. We have 2 coupons attaching, $1 and $1.05, making these just $2.45. Then on the Febreze fabric spray, it is $4.50. We have $1 off, making it $3.50. And then on the Gain dryer sheets, they are $4.50. We have $1 off, making them $3.50. So my total after coupons and that $10 coming off was $12.40, making each item $1.77 each. And you can also do this deal with a 5 off for 25 as well. But for those who have that $10 P&G, this is a deal for you that you can do that is cheap out of pocket after that 10 comes off. So that's that. Now I did one more 5 off for 25 and I want y'all to check it out. And I'm trying to get this video out early to my people that are 3 hours ahead of me, cause like where I'm at, y'all, it's still early. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get it out before it gets too late so people can see it, and if they want to do the deal or incorporate one of these items in their deal, be my guest. So let's get into this last 5 off of 25 transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my last transaction. I did normal 5 off of 25. Starting off with these Tide pods 18XL. They were $9.95. We have a 305 coming off, making them $6.90. Then for the Febreze air fresheners, they are 350 each, totaling 7. 350 coming off, making them 350. Buy one get one free, basically. Charmin, I got the 9 rows instead of the 12 rows, and they are $7.95. We have $1 coming off, making them $6.95. Gain dryer sheets, $4.50 with $1 off, making them $3.50. The Gain liquid, and it's the 32 load, so it's the small one. It is $5.75. We have 2 coupons coming off, $1 and $1.05, making it $3.70. So the Gain flings are cheaper than this small liquid, but it is up to you to get what you want to get because they are your coupons. Then on the Downy, it was $5. We have $1 off, making it $4. So the total after coupons and after my 5 off 25 came off, it was $23.85, making each item $3.40 out of pocket. And yeah, y'all, that is my last transaction. So that means it is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if y'all plan on getting out doing some deals today. Are y'all gonna wait till 7 p.m. to do some early activation deals? Are you just gonna wait till Sunday till the new deals come out? So let me know in the comments what y'all plan on doing. Plus, what is the weather like where y'all from? I'm in Las Vegas, y'all, and today is gonna be 83. I just can't wait for it to finally get cold and stay cold. Because in the mornings, it is a little chilly. But during the afternoon, that sun be beaming, y'all. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out. Because no telling what type of deal I will be dropping next. With that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.